The last thing that we have to do is we need to consume this topic. So under this topic, we have the same subscription name that we were using in Order API. Let me close everything here, and we will go to the Order API appsettings.json. We need a new topic name here, so let me copy this, and we'll create that topic name. We will just change the key name to be in Pascal casing. Subscription name is the same, which is Mango Order Subscription, so that's okay. Let's open up the Azure Service Bus Consumer and make sure that you are inside the Order API. In here, we have to get the app settings for the order update payment result topic. So if we go back, we will be adding a private read-only string, and then we will populate that using the configuration. Let me copy and paste that, and we will copy the key name to avoid any spelling mistake. Once we have that, then we need a new processor. So we will copy the service bus processor for checkout. We will rename that to Order Update Payment Status Processor. We need to create this processor, so let me copy that name, and right here we will paste that client. We have the create processor. We need the topic name, that is Order Update Payment Result Topic, and the subscription name is the same, so we'll just call it the subscription checkout. You can use a generic name here, but we will leave it the same. Next, we need to create few methods or handlers. So we will copy these three in start, paste them again. We will do the same for stop as well. And we will change the processor name. Then instead of the onCheckout message received, we will create a new method which will be on order payment update received. We will be using the same error handler for both of them, but we just need a new method for the payment status update. So we will say private async task, and the name will be on order payment update received. Parameters here will be process message event args, and then based on that we have to deserialize objects. So we can just copy that code from here, the first 3 lines, and paste it. Next will be the message model here, which will be update payment result message, and we'll call this as payment result message. Let's deserialize our body. Once we deserialize that, we have the order status in there. So we can directly call in our order repository. We have the update order payment status, which expects 2 values. First is the order ID, which is inside payment result message.order ID, and next is the status, which is .status. After we complete that, we'll say await args.complete message async and args.message. With this, we have completed the final task of receiving the status and updating that. Let's add a debugger here, and let's run the project. If the subscription and topic names are configured correctly, you should hit the debugging point because we already have a message. In message.body, we have order ID 2. Let's continue, and then let's go to our database. If we execute this one more time, for the order header ID 2, you can see the payment status is approved. So great! With this, our order has been processed successfully. Now in the next video, what I want to do is when we place an order, I want to clear the shopping cart. Because right now, if you examine, the first shopping cart always remained right there. We were just adding few things there. So let's configure that in the next video.